Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your computer class. We are doing chapter first, computer devices, and in that yesterday we saw that there are four basic functions of a computer: input, processing, output and storage. And according to that we have devices of computer as input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices through which we enter data. Okay, and these are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, joystick, light pen and web camera. So today we will study about processing devices. What is the meaning of processing? Processing is the conversion of meaningful information. The conversion of data into meaningful information is called the processing. Okay, and it happens into the CPU. So let's see what are processing devices. Processing devices are the devices that help the computer to process data. CPU is the processing device of a computer. So what is the processing device of a computer? CPU. Underline that. CPU. What is the full form of CPU? C for central, P for processing, U for unit. Okay, central processing unit. This is the full form of CPU. So it is also known as the brain of the computer. This helps the computer to process the data in order to produce valid and desirable output or result. As like the brain, computer के CPU को कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन भी कहा जाता है. एज लाइक आवर ब्रेन, हमारा जो बॉडी का जो कनेक्शन होता है हमारे ब्रेन के साथ होता है. हमारा ब्रेन भी सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी है. और ब्रेन के थ्रू ही हम सब कुछ कंट्रोल कर पाते हैं. अपने बॉडी के पार्ट्स को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, उसको मूव कर सकते हैं और साथ ही साथ जितने भी कैलकुलेशंस हैं वो भी हम अपने ब्रेन के ही अंदर करते हैं. ठीक है, तो इन द सेम मैनर जैसे हमारी सारी प्रोसेसिंग जो भी हम सोचते हैं या जो भी हम करते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे ब्रेन में होती है, ब्रेन से जुड़ी हुई होती हैं. उसी तरह से कंप्यूटर के अंदर जितनी भी प्रोसेसिंग होती है वो CPU के अंदर होती है. ओके, सो CPU इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. नाउ वी विल have the detailed study of CPU. CPU is divided into 3 parts. CPU को 3 parts में divide किया गया है. The first part is ALU. What is the meaning of ALU? Arithmetic Logic Unit. Okay. So कंप्यूटर को 3 हिस्सों में बांटा गया है. पहला है ALU, दूसरा CU, तीसरा MU. Let's come to the first one, ALU. It stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. It helps to do all the mathematical and logical calculations. Okay, the arithmetic logic unit is component of the computer process and it does the mathematical and numeric functions in a computer. The ALU process information before it is directed to the computer's memory. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर की जो मेमोरी है उसमें जाने से पहले ALU क्या करता है, सारे कैलकुलेशंस करता है और उसको मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन में चेंज करता है मेमोरी में जाने से पहले. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव CU. इट स्टैंड्स फॉर कंट्रोल यूनिट. इट मैनेजेस ऑल द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर. ओके, next up is CU. The full form of CU is control. C for control, U for unit. Control unit. Control unit directs entire computer's system to carry out stored program instructions, and it also communicates with ALU and MU, and it coordinates the activities of other 2 units also. And it coordinates the activities of linked peripheral and storage devices, and it instructs ALU operations to be performed. It is literally in control, which means कि control units से कंप्यूटर पे जितने भी ऑपरेशंस यानी कि जो भी उसमें प्रोसेसिंग का जो फंक्शन है या जो रिज़ल्ट जो रेडी होता है वो सब कुछ कंट्रोल करने का काम कौन सी यूनिट करता है? CPU. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप इज MU. MU stands for memory unit. M for memory, U for unit. It stands for memory unit. It stores information temporarily and permanently according to your need. थर्ड जो पार्ट है CPU का वो है MU, और इसमें जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो टेम्परेली भी और परमानेंटली दोनों ही सेव होती है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. In this picture you can clearly see that the central processing unit is divided into three parts: CU, AU and MU. When first the data inserted into the computer through the input devices, it goes inside the central processing unit, and then the control unit communicates with the other two units, arithmetic and memory units. Arithmetic unit calculates all the information and data, and then it goes for memory unit to be saved for temporarily or permanently. Then it goes for the storage devices internally, and then it goes for the output, which means result that we see on the computer screen. Okay, so this is the main process that occurred internally into the CPU. Okay, so here is the MU parts, that is ROM and RAM. RAM stores the data temporarily, and ROM, it stands for read-only memory, and it stores the data permanently. Okay, so today we have learnt that the processing devices is CPU, and what is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit, and it is called the brain of a computer also, and it has been divided into three parts. The first one is ALU, CU and MU. Okay, in briefly we can see through this picture, we can understand this through this picture. CPU is divided into three parts: ALU, CU and MU. Okay, so I hope you have understood today what is processing device, and I will see you in next class. Thank you.